hello to all the newcomers that have come to the JDM Distro channel. Obviously from the Juicebox video that we done last week, there's definitely a few more visitors, and just like to say hello and welcome. Welcome! So we're going to try and do the JDM Distro vlogs hopefully every second week, because we have a second set of hands now, which is ideal. Hello Sean.
How are we?
Hi. As I was saying in the Juicebox vlogs, it was me and Adrian doing a lot of the work, so I usually didn't have enough time to video a lot of stuff, because I was usually just helping Adrian. But now that Sean is here, I can do a lot more video and yeah, show you guys more of what goes on here. Yeah, so because we didn't really do a whole lot of video, and I just have some random clips that I'm going to throw into this video, here's a montage of Adrian rebuilding a work wheel that we did a couple of months ago. Yeah, the lip on that was really messed up, and I don't know, it was like an old Meister that got smashed and we bought it off Yahoo. We also got the largest shipment of 6-cylinder engines that we've ever had in JDM Distro back in April. I just made this little montage after all the engines were laid out on the floor, because it was really cool. That's probably the most amount of 6-cylinder engines we've ever gotten. 2 Js, RB25s, 1 Js. If any of our engines look a little suspicious or we reckon there's anything wrong with them, we bring them up to Bob Stevens. Bob runs Motorsport 56 and he's about an hour from here. He's a bit of a genius when it comes to engines and car building. He maintains and builds drift cars for people, pretty much everything. We usually drop any of our suspicious engines up to Bob for a rebuild or a look at, and yeah, we brought this RB25 up. Oh, hey. Hey,
On a mission.
on a mission. Sometimes we bring engines up to Bob. We've rented this awesome Hilux.
Yeah, we couldn't fit the engine into micro or Sean's EP.
Yeah. So we got this badass, reliable Hilux.
Our diesel gauge doesn't work, so we don't actually know how much diesel we have.
Welcome to spring in Ireland. Now RB25 flapping around in the wind. There's our Laurel. Yeah, there's a Serious collection of random cool shit. So like I said, we're going to try and do these videos regularly. Now that we have more hands, I'm going to try and film what's going on behind the scenes. If you guys have any suggestions or comments or anything you'd like to see from JDM Distro, leave it in the comments. It'd be cool to see what you guys would like to see more of. But if you like what's going on, that's cool too. Leave a comment, say hello. Yeah, we're going to try to do these every 2 weeks if we can. Sometimes it gets pretty busy, but we're going to aim for that. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. We will have lots more coming in the next couple of weeks. Is that right, Adrian? Goodbye. Goodbye.